Hey y'all, so I am back with another hair tutorial for y'all. I am so excited to share this one with y'all because this is my first time trying clip-ins. Yes, clip-ins, new hair, who it is. But I'm going to share with you guys big chop clip-ins today. That is what I use, and I cut them and blended it in with my own hair. And I'm going to show y'all how I did it. So keep on watching to see the tutorial. So I'm using big chop hair clip-ins, and I'm using the 12-inch corkscrew curl. This is how it looks when you first take it out the pack. So I washed it. They sent with the hair this Eden Coconut Shea Natural Cleansing Co-Wash and leave-in conditioner. So I washed the hair with the co-wash and put a little of the leave-in conditioner. And then I styled it. I styled the hair by putting some twists with some perm rods on the ends, and I used the same ingredients, well, the same products, excuse me, that I used to style my hair. So I did the twist with As I Am leave-in conditioner and a little bit of Eco Styler coconut oil gel. So that's how I did my twist as well. I was lazy with it. I just did some big old chunky twist, and I did some shingling on the side to have a fresh taper and line up. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take out my twist, and I'm going to use some Fantasia IC coconut oil serum. Let me take off my rings. And I'm just going to twist my hair in the opposite direction that I did the twist in order to take them apart. Then I'm going to gently pull the twist apart, starting from the roots to avoid frizz. Now I'm going to install the clip-ins. I'm going to part the hair into sections and install the clip-ins horizontally, making sure that I secure the combs tight because I don't want no accidents. Now I'm going to take out the perm rods, and then I'm going to pull apart the twist and separate each section of hair. I'm going to repeat this process until all of the tracks are installed. It's important to pull apart the twist because not only does it make the hair look fuller, but it makes it blend with your own better, and it covers up the tracks and makes sure there's no spaces. If you'll be wearing a part, it's important not to install the tracks too close to the part or you won't be able to cover it. Leave a little section of your natural hair near the part. And I can't stress enough how important it is to secure them combs tight. You do not want the wind blow and have your tracks go blowing with it. Although you want to install the comb securely, you also want to be gentle with your natural hair. I feel like the combs are a little bit tight and you might rip your hair out if you pull too hard. So that's why I'm doing so much adjusting to make sure I slide them in easily without pulling on my hair too much. I installed 4 tracks in total, but when I got to the top, I realized that it was way too much hair for me, so I actually took one out, the one at the very top. I'm going to use a razor comb to cut and layer the hair as it thins it out so it don't look too weavy. Then I'm going to go in and use scissors where I want some more definition. If you use scissors to cut the entire head, it can come out looking too blunt and a little wiggish. As I'm cutting the hair, I'm pulling apart the areas that I missed so I can get an accurate view of how full the hair is and to make sure everything is even. Now I'm going to pull apart the twist in the crown of my natural hair so that I can blend the two together. And this is where I'm going to remove the extra track because it's just way too full. I'm going to do a little more cutting to even things back out where I removed the track. Okay, y'all, so I've successfully butchered this hair to my liking. I even took out one of the tracks that I put in the top because it was way too much hair for me. This is still kind of too much hair for me, but I think it's kind of cute for a different look. I don't know if I grow my own hair out this long, but maybe, you never know. I'm just gonna lift my hair in the roots a little bit to make sure that the style blends. And on the side, I know I have to check in the mirror because I can't see, but I fixed it so that my hair is covering. I'm just going to add a little more volume in there. And I'm going to use this serum and put some on my roots because this hair is a little more shiny than my hair, and I don't want to be out here looking crazy. So the serum helps my hair blend better. Make sure them clips are secure. I don't want to embarrass myself. And now I'm going to take a little Gorilla Snot gel and my hair toothbrush and cure these edges. I don't have to worry about the other side because it's covered. And that's it, y'all. If you're looking to get some big chop clip-ins of your own, you can use my code MzMore, MZMORE, for 15% off. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Leave them in the comments. And I'm about to go out here and enjoy this weather. So I'll talk to y'all later. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you follow me on Instagram. My name's the same.